historinya si Jepang. Next, the history of Museum Aceh. Museum Aceh is one of the oldest museums in Indonesia. Museum Aceh, there is in Banda Aceh, Indonesia. In Museum Aceh, we can see three sports diverse. The first, there is permanent building. Second, Rumah Aceh or Aceh House. And the last, there is library building. If you visit Museum Aceh and you come into the permanent building, you can see the things or the stuff about history of Aceh or the things about Kingdom Aceh. This is the picture of original building of Rumah Aceh. Rumah Aceh was founded August 31, 1915. Next. This is the picture of Rumah Aceh or Aceh House. This is a type of traditional vernacular house found in the Aceh province in Indonesia. If you visit Museum Aceh, especially come in Rumah Aceh or Aceh House, you can see the ethnic or the traditional things about Aceh. The next slide will be explained by my friend, that is, she is Jasmine. Tiga. And behind me, you can see the Rumah Aceh display the culture of Aceh. It means describing about religion of habit of people in Aceh. So this house can still be found in the periphery of Banda Aceh. Also, they are on the verge of extinction. After that, there is the front of the house and the front of Rumah Aceh. The house and its perimeter. It means Rumah Aceh is a field, really erected over source which rest on like stone or correct plains. The second, interior like art. It means Rumah Aceh always oriented with their best facing east and west. The second, contraction. Contraction, it means Rumah Aceh are made entirely of wood without mat, like table, like for example, like krung bade. After that, tok bade, tungkat. It's made by wood. And the last is collection. Collection. For example, like thoughts of Tengku Umar. After that, we can see this is the thoughts of Tengku Umar. Now keep in the Strompen Museum, Amsterdam. And the next, a wooden Islamic player from Mosque of Monmata, Lokna. This origin collection of Aceh Museum is now kept in the Strompen Museum, Amsterdam also. And the next, we can see a wooden Quran stand from Kampung Konjut and also Lokna. And this we can use this when we read our India. The Chakradonya is a bell that forms of the iron rod, so made in China. Well, do you know the words? On the outside of Chakradonya, there are decorations and symbols of Aceh and Arabic. But today, we cannot read a script about Arabic because it is too old, so we cannot see that writer. And additionally, Chakradonya is the name of worship of Sultan Iskandar Muda. The symbol, the bell is up. After which, the bell from the Chakradonya state. Hat with the orchard chain on the tree is placed on plate. And sounded the resistance of the plate should gather, at 1915, Chakradonya was moved to the Aceh Museum and placed in the days. While Chakradonya with plate 53 centimeters used for half of the bell. And today we have the videos about the visiting Museum Aceh. You can see in the whiteboard.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see or we can hear the presentation about Museum Aceh, and behind me we have data of visitor in Museum Aceh in this year. You can see the visitor of Museum Aceh from January after September. In January, we have the total of visitor of Aceh is 2,427. In February, the visitor of Museum Aceh is 4,195. In March, we have visitor of Museum Aceh is 6,575. And in April, we have the visitor of Museum Aceh is 7,872. And in May, the visitor of Museum Aceh is 1,114, and holiday time. So many visitors want to visit Aceh to know a story about Aceh especially. And the visitor of Museum Aceh is there is student, citizen, even other people of other country, tourists. And if you want to know more detail about history Aceh or about Aceh Museum, please you can visit Museum Aceh and you will know a lot of Aceh. That's from for group. Thank you for